Hello there and welcome to another video, and in this video I will be going over how to find your Bitcoin address on Binance. So all you need to do is sit back and follow these steps, and if that sounds about right, then let's head right in. Alright, so the first thing you'd want to do, of course, if you're using a web version of the application, you will need to log into your Binance account using your email address and your password. Or if you're using an Android or iOS device, just head over to the app on your mobile device and let's move on. So once you're logged in, navigate to the portfolio tab located on the lower right corner of the screen. On the next page, select deposit. In this section, you'll need to choose a currency you want to find. Although in our case, we're supposed to be looking for Bitcoin, but well, I guess I'll go with USDT. And on the next page, just choose a network. Do note you will need to clarify from the platform you're receiving what network to choose. And after that, this will open a window with your deposit address for that currency. Alright, and that's it. Well, it will typically be a long string of alphanumeric characters, well, with some spice of gibberish. You get the point. It is, though, essential to ensure you copy your address correctly because, well, sending Bitcoin or any other currency to the wrong address can result in permanent loss of funds. So you definitely want to be careful with that. So do well to double check the address before initiating any transactions. Additionally, it is worthwhile to note that Binance may periodically update their deposit address and interface for security reasons, so always use the most recent address provided by Binance when depositing funds. If you have any doubts or concerns, you can also refer to Binance's official support documentation or contact their customer support for assistance. And that was it for this video. If you found this video helpful, or if it gave you any insight on how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on Binance, then do well to leave a like on the video and of course subscribe to the channel for more tips and updates, and I'll see you in another video.